If you want to access to a new spreadsheet, you are going to click here to the plus button. It is taking you to brand new untitled spreadsheet. Now let's go through this screen and how it works. This part, the ribbon part of the Google Sheets, is part of several drop-down options that gives you access to fast access to the things that you could do with Google Sheets. And besides, you can see undo, redo, print options. You have several font typing options. These are all font style options. And besides, these are on cells. So this ribbon is similar as, if you remember, from the Excel. Now, if you want to get rid of, or if you want to make your screen bigger, you can click hide the menus. That will hide the menu for you. If you want to show it, you can show the menu over here. Similarly, you have a side panel which gives access to your calendar, Google Keep, and tasks. Now, Google Sheet is automatically updated by the Google, so your interface, the screen that you see might be different, and that is because the Google is regularly working on this product and it's changing the style or the shape. But overall, this would be the screen. Now, I just want to show you here the view option, where you can zoom in or zoom out your screen. It might happen sometimes, like right now this is a 50%, or you can go to 200% if you want to see your cells much more closer. Similarly, you can play with that zoom option here, the drop down. So for now, this is about the Google Spreadsheet option.